My name is Kymani and I work on a Brewing Futures truck. For me, I'd say traveling to all the different events that we go to. I've got to connect with a lot of different people. Teamwork, communication, and probably the networking. Effective communication, so one talking to others and reaching out to make sure I got what I need in terms of materials, and then advocating for things I would need in the future. Teamwork, because it'll be beneficial in terms of, once again, working with different type of people. The truck, you receive a lot more experience. It simulates the actual working environment in terms of what we'll see in the real world, and then gain a lot of benefit from the actual working experience on the truck and being there on time in terms of schedules and responsibility. Learn to multitask, adapt, and kind of making sure I stay calm and work under pressure. There'll be times accessibility malfunctions, and I'll be facing an entire line that I can't get to Kimball or Steiny to let them know. And I learn to keep it together and make sure I get through it. When I started, absolutely not. But over time, I definitely started to gain a lot of confidence working there because it was familiar, and co-workers was familiar, and Steiny and Kimball was always supportive of everybody and making sure they transition comfortably. Since working on the truck, I've gained a lot of confidence in taking more leadership opportunities and leader roles in different groups and stuff.